Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down and go to reset options and find Bluetooth and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or reset mobile network settings. As you can see, we've got two separate options for those network options. So, and basically they work the same. So just tap on the option, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So just tap on reset settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. So tap on reset settings if you're ready, and as you can see, we've got the confirmation, and the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it, tap on reset, and it is done. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.